Hello everyone, in this video we will be installing a single pole switch. First we will remove the insulation out of the Romex wire and we will be using our electrician's hook knife. Then we will use our side cutters to nick the Romex insulation and pull it out. So with our side cutters we will cut at the back, just a little nick, and pull the Romex insulation like that. Then we will ground the box. As you can see, there is a ground screw at the back of the box, and we can use a number 2 Robertson bit on your driver or a screwdriver, number 2 Robertson or red Robertson. Loosen that screw a little bit. Wrap one of the ground conductors clockwise on the ground screw, like that. Then use your driver to tie it in. And now our box is grounded. Afterwards, we can wrap both screws around each other, both wires, apologize. Twist them together. Cut them. And put a wire knot on it. We can place that wire knot at the back of the box, out of the way. Nice and clean. Then next in line will be to connect our neutral wires together. We will do a fist and our thumbs extended. That should give us about 6 inches just outside of the box. We can strip our wire. Twist it together. So I'm practical to do it with the side cutters, but it also works. And then connect them with a wire nut or a mallet. Then we can do our spring loops and place the wires at the back of the box, out of the way, leaving enough room for a switch. Now, as you recall, there was an arrow on this conductor, the one on the left side, and there was writing on the one on the right side. The one on the right side with the writing was specifying that this is the power light switch leg. So we will strip it and do our hook for the screw, and the one on the right, which was the power. Do another loop. Now we will use our Lutron 15 amp light switch, and we will put the loop in the screw and tie it with a screwdriver. Then we'll place a second loop on the other screw on the switch and tie it again with a screwdriver. Then we will create our spring loops. And push the wires towards the back of the box. Then we can use our driver to preset our screws in place. If you find no resistance while pushing the switch back, everything is good. Before tying it permanently, we can use our level to level the switch. Perfect. And then just finish tying it up so it stays in place. Now we grab our screwless plate, place the mounting bracket, and with a Phillips screwdriver, set it in until it's flush with the wall. Perfect. Now snap the plate, and here we go. Fully installed single pole switch with a screwless plate. Thank you everyone for watching, and you have a wonderful day.